Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to make carrot kheer or carrot पायसा। दोस्तों इस रेसिपी का सबटाइटल्स हिंदी में भी है, प्लीज़ चेक कीजिए। Carrot kheer is delicious, creamy and highly nutritious. Now let's get started and check out the recipe. I have taken 3 medium-sized carrots, peeled out their skin and chopped it into thin slices. I am transferring it to a pressure cooker, adding 1 cup of milk. And I'm going to boil it by giving 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, let the pressure come down completely, and once the boiled carrots and milk is at room temperature, transfer it into a mixer jar. For the boiled carrots, I'm adding 15 pieces of cashews and almonds. I'm also adding 10 to 15 strands of kesar, which was soaked in milk for 20 minutes. Now grind this into a fine paste. Transfer the grinded paste to a pan. Consistency of the kheer is optional. You can either keep it thick or thin. I prefer keeping it thin, so I'm going to add milk and adjust the consistency. I added 1 cup of milk to adjust my consistency. Add half tablespoon ghee to make it more flavorful and half teaspoon cardamom powder. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can increase or decrease the quantity of sugar as per your taste, or use any sweetener of your choice. Just boil it for a minute after adding all the ingredients and our carrot kheer is ready. Carrot kheer can be served hot during winters and really chilled during summers. This recipe will be loved by all aged groups, and especially kids will really enjoy this. I'm garnishing it with some chopped almonds and pista and a few strands of kesar. Our carrot kheer is ready to be served. I hope you guys will try and enjoy this recipe. If you have liked this video, do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. Have an amazing day.